Look what we got. A cell phone gimbal. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I got you. I got this is a really cool gimbal, my friends. This is the S5B cell phone gimbal. It's really, really good. It doesn't have any motion noise when you record. I'm very, very impressed with it. It has a 4,000 milliamp battery pack on the inside. I believe there's two of them, believe it or not. I think there's two 2,000 milliamp packs on the inside. All right, everything that I've done, there's something bad or something good that really sticks out. The one thing that sticks out to me on this product is that it can't accommodate my Note 9 with a case. It can't. The maximum width of this is only 3.5 inches. That is it. You can position this in any position you want, okay? And it'll just focus on that one position. It does come with the tripod it does screw onto this, and you can screw this onto anything you want. It doesn't have to be this. It could be another tripod if you wanted to. It has a screw in the back. So this is just, it offers a lot of capability, all right? There is a Gimbal Pro app you can download, which is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I was blown away in the functionality of it. However, you do not need to download the app in order to use it. You can still pinch your way with zooming on the phone if you like. There is a trigger here that starts and stops the recordings, takes pictures, whatever you want. As long as you're in the camera mode, if you don't have the app installed, this will still stop and start your video or take pictures. But I'm going to show you how this is done. This is really cool how you do it. You have to balance it. So right now it's in the lock position, okay, and it's powered off. It does offer a USB out. In the back here, there's a little port in the back, and you can go from this device to your cell phone. So this could power the gimbal and charge your phone at the same time, which is nice. You have to be very careful with gimbals. So this is in the lock position. So you just take it out of the lock position, and then everything is just floppy away. Right? It's powered off. You don't want to do this powered on. The thing will go nuts, because as soon as you let go of the grip while it's powered on, it'll start to go back and forth, like, you know, just starts thrashing. Because it needs to have that weight and that resistance of the weight of the phone and everything. If you take it off like this, it'll go nuts. Every gimbal does that, even for the GoPro, just so you know. Okay? So it's not like a malfunction of the device. So I'm going to put this phone in here. Alright? And this is my Note 9. And I'm very impressed with it. It works really well, but it's just not practical. I don't know anybody that uses a phone without a case. All right, so we're going to power it on, and it's going to try to balance itself, and it's going to try real hard to do it because it's out of whack. All right, so there's a thumb screw right here, and you loosen this up, and then you make adjustments. Whoops, see how it just started going nuts? It needs to be held on. So we're going to pull this apart, pull this out, and try to balance this. And then we could, because we need to have this flat. And it is the Note 9, so it's quite heavy. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Alright, so now we could tighten this up. I don't think I have Bluetooth turned on. So whichever way you want to put this in this mode, it'll stay. Okay? It's pretty wild. So let me put it towards me. So I could do this all I want, and it'll, obviously, wherever you're pointing to, you want it to stay. It's the view that you want, depending on how you want it to look. Perfect. All right, so this is working really well. Now there's 3 modes. I will show you it this way so you can see it. When you move, the camera moves with you in the position of what you're looking at. Okay? The second mode is wherever you're pointing, the phone stays straight. Okay? Wherever you go, the phone stays straight, and it doesn't matter wherever this thing goes, it's going to stay straight the camera stays straight, okay? And then the next mode is very similar, but it stays straight. No matter what I do with the handle, it does not move. So I could do whatever I want with this. The phone stays right where it is. So I can do whatever I want with this thing. The phone does not move. You see what I mean? That's the whole point of the gimbal. It's pretty sick. There is a range on this, so what you'll see it happen, if you go too far, it'll just droop down and it'll freak out and then it'll come back to life. But you can't go too far and then it'll just drop. Okay? Especially if you want to do, you know, wide shots like this. This is a wide shot. You're not using the phone vertically, which by the way you can do as well. All right, you can do vertical, but why would you do that? That's like shooting video incorrectly. This is the right way to shoot video, okay? My phone is off right now, okay? But I'm just showing you the functions of it. Because it does work really well. It's just, you know my issue with it. So as you move, it follows the subject, okay? Wherever you're going. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this bad boy if you're interested. It does work really well. It does. It just, it doesn't accommodate larger phones. That's my only gripe. Fix that and I'll get 5 stars and probably JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. But other than that, it's only getting 4 stars. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care and we'll see you next time.